What's going on, guys? It's your boy GD Warrior today with a new episode about custom inserts from Gavin Brown. Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy GD Warrior. Thanks for tuning in, and today we will be reviewing Gavin Brown's Custom Inserts. Now to talk a little bit about Gavin Brown, he's a member on the Facebook Yamaha group. He's from Scotland. Actually, after watching Train Spotting and Train Spotting 2, that's my favorite part of the great United Kingdom. So props for that. You guys all know he does a lot of paint jobs, paint work, you know, custom paint works on Yamaha Warriors, which they look incredible. So if you guys need like a paint job done, contact Gavin Brown. And I'm pretty sure, you know, he can work something out for you. What he also does is he made these custom inserts that you see right here in front of you. So what are these inserts for? Basically, when you remove your passenger footrests, you know, you will have spaces there just with the bolts, and it looks kind of ugly, you know. Some people, they don't care, but then there's people like me and you out there who like to have everything clean and smooth. So that's what the inserts are for. They basically cover up that area. Now I asked Gavin to paint mine in gloss black, and look how nice that looks, man. Nice and glossy, great paint job. No orange peel, nothing. Let's take the other one. See, looks sweet, nice and smooth. It took me about 5 to 6 days until I received it from the UK, and I'm in South Florida. They're made out of metal. I don't know what this is, you know, it looks like steel to me, but they are solid. It's not some cheap plastic crap or anything like this, so he did a good job. I mean, the finish and everything, as you can see here, is fantastic. Also, this right here looks like one of these glue strips. You know, take it off, double-sided, and then, you know, we will put it in and see how it looks like on the bike. But it looks very nice. So if you want a glossy finish, I asked for that, so it's not like he offers it in gloss black. So if you want it in gloss black, or maybe a different color, I'm pretty sure he can work that out for you. Correct me if I'm wrong, Gavin, but his customer service is on point. And what he also gave me, was a little Warrior sticker. Look at that. Thanks, Gavin, man. I'm probably going to put it on my helmet. And I always wanted a sticker like that, so thank you for this. Less work for me. So let's go check it out, how it looks like on the bike. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and install the insert. What you want to do first, you're going to take out 2 bolts that are right here, take them out, and then you want to clean that area up first, okay, because there might be some dirt and stuff. So I'm just using some spray detailer, you know, a rag, and clean this thing up. Make sure it's nice and dry. So now you want to make sure you got the right size, the right side, right? Put this in here. See, yep, fits perfectly. And then you got the double-sided tape. So let's take this off first, and then let's put that on. All right, make sure you line it up correctly, and then put it inside and squeeze it in. Oh yeah, it looks sweet, man. Alright guys, so this is Gavin Brown's Custom Insert. Looks fantastic. I mean, I can only recommend it. It looks freaking sweet, man. I mean, look at that. It's top-notch quality. So if you want to buy this, I'm gonna post the link down in the description that will have Gavin Brown's contact information. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, And if you have something to say, comment below. It's your boy GD Warrior. I see you guys in the next video. Bye.